welcome back to my channel. I'm Ashley and today I'm going to do the simplest, easiest, quickest, cheapest Halloween craft you have ever seen. So today we are going to jazz up my porch along with our beautiful wreath we made a few days ago. Today I'm going to show you how to decorate that old boring porch light. Yes, and with what? A $1 jack-o'-lantern pumpkin bucket. I bought this bucket at Walmart for 98 cents, so cheapest project ever, and it really does like completely change the whole look of my porch, and at night it makes everything orange and it's super cool. So I'm gonna show you how to make this super simple porch light because it's literally probably gonna be the easiest, quickest video you've ever seen. This is gonna take like 2 seconds, so I'm just gonna show you how to do it because it's super simple. Guys, check out my cute bat earrings. Can you see them? Probably gonna like wear these all month long of October to celebrate Halloween. So if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe, and let's make this pumpkin light because, I mean, you can spare like 2 seconds, right? Let's go.
First thing you're going to need is a pumpkin bucket. You can actually get these in different colors at Walmart for 98 cents, but I decided to just go with the standard orange for a good Halloween feel. All you're going to need for this project is some scissors, and yeah, that's pretty much it. If you're a kid, of course, get an adult to do this because these buckets are kind of hard to cut because they're a little bit of a thicker plastic, and it doesn't help that my scissors kind of sucked. But I'm going to just take my scissors and I'm going to find the center line down the back of the bucket. As you can see, there's lines going all the way across, so it pretty much makes an easy guideline for you. So I just used my scissors and I cut down that center line all the way to the bottom of the bucket. I didn't cut underneath the bottom of the bucket because I wanted that to still look whole when you look at it from underneath, which most porch lights you kind of are underneath a little bit. So I just cut this down towards the bottom, and then that's pretty much it. If you don't want the handle to show, you can always just push it down into the jack-o'-lantern bucket. I did this and then last second decided to put it back up, but there you go. That's literally how simple it is to make this bucket where it will go over a standard porch light. So once you get this cut down the middle, it's time to take it outside. So I'm going to just slide it up over this bottom half of my porch light. As you can see, it's got this little frame thing that does not get hot, luckily. I'm just going to open up the jack-o'-lantern a little bit. Where I cut it makes it easy to kind of slide it open so it can fit over my light. And I'm just going to slide it up there until it is secure and not going to fall. I did last minute decide I wanted to pull the handle back out and hook it on this little hook that's at the top of my light, just so it kind of looks like the bucket's hanging there on the light, and it just turned out really cute. And that's literally how simple this is. You just have to cut your jack-o'-lantern and then slide it over your porch light, and that's pretty much the whole project.
So tell me, did you like it? Did you think it was cute? Was it not the simplest thing ever? And it turned out super cute. It just kind of made a whole new look to my porch, and it looks beautiful with my new wreath. So guys, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. I post new videos every week. Go ahead and hit the thumbs up button if you thought this was like the simplest project ever. Like, I don't even know if it needed a video. It was so easy. So guys, I hope you liked this video, and I will see you next week, or in a couple of days maybe, for another Halloween video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.